Okay guys, welcome back. Lesson 24 in Algebra 1/2. This lesson is on metric length conversions, which really is going to be done exactly the same way as Lesson 23, the English unit conversions, but you're working with the metric system, which really has a little bit less to remember. But we're going to go over it again just to make sure that you have it. And I have written here 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. 1,000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. That K, kilo, that prefix, means thousand. And here, centimeter, cent, means hundred. So if you can remember those two things, it takes 100 cents maybe to make $1. And kilo means thousand. So your two units for that would be either 100 to 1 or 1 to 100, or 1,000 to 1 and 1 to 1,000. Okay, and down here I've got, this says if we wanted to convert 6,225 centimeters to meters, well, we would have centimeters here on the top, and we would make that a fraction, and then we would multiply by, and how do we know which one of these to choose? Well, we're going to choose the one that gets rid of centimeters by cross-canceling it out, and then leaves us with meters. So that would be the 1 over 100, and then when we divide 6,225 by 100, we move our decimal, remember, 2 places, and we get 62.26 meters. Okay? All right, here it says convert 528 centimeters to meters. So what are we going to do? We're going to write what we have first, 528 centimeters, and we're going to put that over 1, and we're going to write times and a unit multiplier. Now we have to decide which one of these we're going to use. Well, which one gets rid of the centimeters? If we cross cancel out here, we have to cross cancel here. So we need centimeters here, and whatever we want to end up with always needs to go on the top of the last multiplier. Because, and I say last because right now you just have one unit multiplier, but you're going to get to where, oh my goodness, you might have 6 or even 12 at a couple books from now. So it's important that we understand the meters is what we want to end up with, so it's going to go on the top, and centimeters is going to cross cancel out. This one here is the one that gives us what we need, so we'll put 1 over 100. And like I said, we are not interested in your finding an actual answer. Obviously, if you were going to, you would take the decimal and move it 2 places, so you would have 5.28 meters, but this is all we're going to be looking for when we grade your work. We want to know that you can set it up correctly. Alright, go to the next frame. Alright, in this one we're going to convert 486 kilometers, put that over 1, do your multiply by and your unit multiplier. Alright, and we want to end up with meters again, so it's going to go on the top, and we have to cross cancel kilometers to get rid of it, so it will go on the bottom. Which one are we looking for? This one right here. See, there's 2 ways to write this rate, and this is the one we need. So we need the one with 1,000 over 1. Okay, now so on this one, if we were going to solve for an answer, which we are not, we would multiply, and we would put 486 and comma 3 zeros, because 1,000 has 3 zeros. Alright, next frame. Alright, our practice problems. We're going to convert in A 58 meters to centimeters. So we're going to write our problem, 58 meters, put that over 1 times, and we want to end up with centimeters. We need to get rid of the meters. Which one do we need? Not this one. No, we need to come over here to this one. We're going to put 100 over 1. And that is all we want to see. Okay? That will be the answer. This will be the answer to this problem. Okay? Next one. Alright, in B, it says we're going to convert 100 meters. It looks like a 6, doesn't it? But it's not. It's 100. And we want to convert that to kilometers. So we're going to have to get rid of meters. We'll put it here on the bottom. Then we look up here. I've written each one of these rates in two ways. We're going to look up here and see which one do we need. Well, we're going to need this one because it's got the kilometers on the top and the meters on the bottom. And that is all we're going to be looking for. This right here. Alright, next. Alright, in this one we're going to convert 48,000 centimeters. Put that over 1 times. I want to get rid of centimeters and I want to convert it to meters so I can get rid of the centimeters. And which one has the centimeters on the bottom? This one right here. So I'm going to put 1 over 100. And that is simply all there is to it. Isn't this great? Alright, I will see you tomorrow.